Good afternoon, guys. We have an interesting match I am going to talk about today. That is Crystal Palace against Manchester City. We know this match has just ended a little while ago, and it was 4-2. As I know, recall in my prediction video which I made yesterday, I said 4-1 or 4-0 or 4-1. And amazingly, for the first 60 minutes of the game, it will look like that it is going to be another way around, and because we can see City conceded two goals very initially. First one was their own mistake, own goal, and then Anderson has scored the second one in the 21st minute. So it was 2-0 down for City. Crystal Palace was 2-0 up, and that score remained until halftime. So we were pretty much on the card that we might see a different result against the prediction. And when Silva scored in the 53rd minute, that gave us a little bit of encouraging that City is coming back in the game. And then we saw some excellent play from Erling Haaland. So he has scored a magnificent hat trick, and which leaving us the result which ended as per I predicted, 4 goals from Manchester City. So a lot of things has been said. This is the Manchester City defense need to be a thing during the first half of the game. As we saw in the last 6 matches, it was fourth time City were two goals behind, and they overcome it. So this is a little bit worrying alarm for the management that the defense in the early first part of the game is not very accurate, not playing the way it should be. And also we can see that in the Premier League, first time ever that two goals score, has come. Manchester City has come back from 2 goals at halftime in the Premier League for the first time ever, drawing 2 and losing on 51 previous occasion out of 53. So it was uh, a good finish for Manchester City, which put them at the top after last week they have a draw. So we can see the league table is now wide open, and I hope we continue to see interesting football. And whoever followed my prediction video and like to share that I will make another prediction video for the next week matches very soon. So until then, keep watching and keep supporting football. Thank you. Bye bye.